Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect the car's Bluetooth with your phone Bluetooth. So firstly, you have to go to settings, connections, and you have to open your Bluetooth in your phone. Over here, tap in Bluetooth and wait until your car's Bluetooth appears over here on your phone screen. In my case, it's my radio over here. This is my connection. This is my car's Bluetooth. It asks me a code, and because I don't know the code, first I'm going to push this button over here. It's set up, and this is going to appear on your screen. We are going to use this small wheel to access the Bluetooth connections. So I'm going to use that wheel over here and go to Bluetooth connection, and after that push this button. And now we have here a connection. This is my wife's phone, and we're going to create a new connection. Again, we're going to push this button, and it says over here, launch pairing from your device and dial the BT pin code. So because I didn't know the BT pin code, I couldn't do it. So now we're going to tap in over here my radio. This is, I believe this is the connection. My radio. Let's see if it's going to, yeah. So we're going to dial 4 zeros and connect. So it says over here that I am connected, and I can use my my phone to listen music. Let's see, let's go to YouTube. Let's see if it's working. Tap in Car Freak. This is my channel. Freak. Channel. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is one of my videos. It appears that it's not working. Let's see. So if you want, after you are connected with your after you've done your Bluetooth connections, you have here two buttons. Let's see if I can show you. So this is the media button, and this is the radio button. We're going to use this button. Look, it's better now. We are going to use this button, media, and we are going to go to Bluetooth connections. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, now it's working. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.